Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Just English with Emily.
Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
I am Emily, and I am feeling full of energy this morning.
I am happy you have energy, Emily, because I am very tired.
Oh no, Michael, why are you tired? Did you not sleep well?
I slept okay, but I need something very important right now.
What do you need? A hug?
No, not a hug. I need coffee.
Ah, coffee, the magic liquid.
Yes, I need a big, hot, strong coffee immediately.
Well, that is easy, Michael. There's a Starbucks right across the street.
I know, I see the green sign.
So why don't you go get one?
Because, Emily, I am scared.
Scared? Scared of coffee?
No, I am scared of ordering the coffee.
Oh, I understand. Ordering in English can be scary.
It is terrifying. They speak so fast.
They do speak fast. It's like a race.
And there are so many people waiting behind me.
And you feel pressure to be quick.
Yes, I panic, and when I panic, I forget my English.
Michael, listen to me. Don't panic.
But how?
Ordering coffee is just a script, like a movie script.
A script? You mean they say the same things every time?
Exactly. If you learn the script, you will be fine.
That sounds good. I want to learn the Starbucks script.
We will teach you today. We will survive Starbucks together.
Thank you, Emily. But first, can you help me with a word?
Of course. Which word?
The person who makes the coffee, what are they called?
Ah, that is a special word. They are called a barista.
Barista. Is that an English word?
It's actually Italian, but we use it in English.
Okay, so the man or woman behind the counter is the barista.
Correct. And the counter is the long table where you pay.
Okay, I walk to the counter. I see the barista.
And the barista looks at you and says, "Next."
Oh no, my heart is beating fast already.
Relax, Michael. Before you order, you need to know the sizes.
The sizes. This is the most confusing part.
I agree. Starbucks sizes are very strange.
In my country, we say small, medium, and large.
That's logical, but Starbucks has special names.
Tell me the names. I always forget them.
Okay, the small size is called tall.
Wait, tall means small?
Yes, I know, it's crazy. Tall is the smallest size.
That makes no sense. Tall sounds big.
I know, but you must remember, tall equals small.
Okay, tall is small. What is the medium size?
The medium size is called grande.
Grande. That sounds Italian or Spanish.
It is. It means big in Italian, but at Starbucks, it's medium.
Okay, this is a headache, so grande is medium.
Exactly. And the biggest size?
The large one, what is it called?
It is called venti.
Venti. What does venti mean?
It means 20 in Italian because it's 20 ounces.
Okay, that is too much math for me.
Don't worry about the math. Just remember, venti is large.
Okay, let me review. Tall is small.
Correct.
Grande is medium.
Yes?
And venti is large.
Perfect. You got it.
So, Emily, I'm very tired today. I want a big coffee.
You want a lot of caffeine.
Yes, so I should order a venti.
Yes, a venti coffee.
Okay, venti. I will practice saying it. Venti.
Your pronunciation is beautiful, Michael.
Thank you. I feel a little more ready.
Good. Now we are ready to order.
Okay, I'm at the counter. The barista is looking at me.
Imagine I'm the barista. Hi, what can I get for you?
Give me coffee.
Whoa, stop.
What? What did I do?
Michael, that was very rude.
It was rude? I just said what I want.
You said give me. That's like a command.
Oh, I sounded like a bossy king.
Yes, you sounded like a hungry monster. Give me coffee.
I don't want to be a monster. I want to be polite.
In English, politeness is everything.
So, what is the magic phrase?
The magic phrase is, can I have?
Can I have? That sounds softer.
It's much softer. Can I have a venti coffee, please?
Can I have a venti coffee, please?
Perfect. Or you can say, I would like.
I would like. That is very elegant.
It is very nice. I would like a grande latte, please.
I would like a grande latte, please.
See? That puts a smile on the barista's face.
I want the barista to like me.
Exactly. If you're nice, maybe the coffee tastes better.
Maybe. Okay, so I ask nicely.
But Michael, do you just want black coffee?
No, I like milk in my coffee.
Ah, milk. There are so many choices now.
I know, it used to be just milk.
Now we have whole milk, skim milk, soy milk.
Almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk.
It's like a supermarket. What's your favorite, Emily?
I love oat milk. It is very creamy.
Oat milk, made from oats?
Yes, it is delicious, and it's good if you can't drink dairy.
I like that. I will try oat milk.
Okay, so let's build your full order.
Okay, size plus drink plus milk.
Exactly. Size first.
Venti,
Drink second.
latte,
Milk third.
with oat milk.
Now put it in a sentence with the magic phrase. Can I have a venti latte with oat milk, please?
Michael, that sounded like a native speaker.
Really? It flowed well?
It was perfect. Can I have a venti latte with oat milk, please?
I feel proud of that sentence.
You should be, but don't relax yet.
Why? Is there more?
There's always more. The barista will ask you questions.
Oh no, the surprise questions.
Yes, and the scariest question is,
What is it?
can I get your name?
My name? Why did they need my name?
To write it on the cup.
Oh, right. They shout your name when it's ready.
Yes, and this is where panic happens.
Because my name is Michael, but sometimes they hear Miguel or Michelle.
Yes, coffee shops are noisy.
So I have to shout my name?
Speak loudly and clearly. It's Michael.
Michael.
And be ready to spell it.
Spelling in English, that's a test.
It is a good test. Practice spelling your name quickly.
M-I-C-H-A-L-E.
Good. Don't think, just say the letters.
M-I-C-H-A-L-E.
Perfect. If your name is difficult, give an easy name.
Really? I can use a fake name?
Sure, say Bob or Tom.
That's a great trick. My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Now, Emily, sometimes they ask another weird question.
Which one?
They ask, can you have room for cream?
Ah, yes. Do you want room for cream?
I never understand this. Room? Like a bedroom?
No, not a bedroom. Room means space.
Space?
Yes, empty space at the top of the cup.
Why would I want empty space? I want coffee.
If you want to add cold milk or sugar yourself, you need space.
Ah, so the coffee doesn't spill.
Exactly. If the cup is 100% full, you cannot add milk.
I see. So if I want to add milk, I say yes.
Correct. Yes, please. Just a little room.
And if I drink it black?
Say, no room, please. Fill it up.
No room, please. That's a useful phrase.
Very useful. It shows you understand the coffee culture.
Okay. Name, spelling, room for cream. What's next?
Now you must pay, the sad part.
The expensive part.
The barista will say, that will be $5.
$5 for coffee?
I know, it's not cheap, but you need it.
I do need it. So how do I pay?
They might ask cash or card.
I almost always use my card.
Me too. So you say, I'm paying by card.
I'm paying by card.
Or simply, card please.
Card, please. Short and sweet.
And then you tap your card on the machine.
Beep. And then I wait.
Yes, you move to the end of the counter and wait.
And listen for Michael or Tom.
Exactly. And then you grab your drink.
And I say thank you.
Always say thank you, even if they spelled your name wrong.
Even if they wrote Michael-y?
Especially then, just smile and drink your coffee.
Emily, I think I have the whole script now.
You have the vocabulary, you have the order, you have the answers.
I feel ready to try it.
Are you ready for the final exam?
The final exam? Is there a test?
Yes, a role play. I will be the fast barista.
Oh boy, you are going to be fast?
I am going to be very fast, just like real life.
Okay, I am taking a deep breath.
Listeners, listen to Michael carefully. Can he do it?
Okay, I am walking in. I'm at the counter.
Hi there. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I have a venti latte, please?
Sure thing. What kind of milk do you want with that?
Oat milk, please.
Oat milk. Got it. Anything else to eat? A muffin, a croissant?
No, thank you. Just the coffee.
All right. Can I get a name for the order?
It is Michael.
Michael. Is that M-I-K-E?
No, it's Michael.
M-I-C-H-A-I-L. Got it. Do you want room for cream?
No room, please.
Perfect. That'll be $6.50. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Go ahead and tap whenever you're ready. Beep. Great. It'll be ready at the end of the bar.
Thank you very much.
And Michael, that was amazing.
Oh, wow, my heart was beating fast.
You did it perfectly. You didn't hesitate.
I understood everything you said.
Even when I spoke fast?
Yes, because I knew the script.
You knew the questions before I asked them.
I knew you would ask about milk. I knew you would ask about food.
See? That's the secret. Prediction.
If you predict the question, you are ready for the answer.
Exactly. You sounded so confident, Michael.
I felt confident. Can I have a venti latte? It felt good.
I'm so proud of you. Now you can get your coffee.
Yes, I'm going to go right after this recording.
But wait, we need to practice with our listeners first.
You are right. Listeners, it's your turn.
Imagine you're at Starbucks. I'm the barista.
Be brave. Speak out loud.
I'll ask you the question. You answer.
Decide your order now. What do you want?
A cappuccino? A tea? An Americano?
Decide the size. Tall, grande, venti.
Okay, are you ready? Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Did you use the magic phrase?
Did you say, can I have?
Good. Next question.
And what size would you like?
Did you say grande or venti?
Excellent. Last question. And can I get your name, please?
Did you spell it?
Great job. You just ordered coffee in English.
It's a small victory, but it's important.
Every small victory builds confidence.
Today, coffee. Tomorrow, a job interview.
Exactly. Step by step.
Emily, let's review the key words one more time.
Good idea. Let's make a list.
The person making coffee is the
Barista.
small size is
Tall.
medium size is
Grande.
large size is
Venti.
if I want empty space in the cup, I say,
Room for cream.
and the milk made from oats is
Oat milk.
I think we have a full vocabulary list.
You are ready for any coffee shop in the world.
New York, London, Sydney.
You can order caffeine anywhere.
That's a superpower.
It really is. Caffeine gives you power.
Emily, we have a question for the listeners.
Yes, we want to know about your taste.
Please write in the comments section below.
What is your favorite coffee drink?
Do you like a simple black coffee?
Do you like a sweet caramel macchiato?
Or maybe you don't like coffee. Maybe you like tea.
That's okay too. I like green tea.
Write your order in the comments. I would like a.
We love reading your orders. Maybe you will try them.
I want to try something new next time.
Maybe a pumpkin spice latte?
Oh, that sounds fancy.
It is very popular.
Thank you, everyone, for listening today.
You did a great job. Don't be scared of Starbucks.
Just remember the script.
Be polite, be clear.
And enjoy your coffee.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.